Buying a solar generator that can start an air conditioner but cannot keep it running is an expensive mistake. Output watts alone do not tell the whole story. Compressor surge, battery capacity, 120-volt or 240-volt support, and future expansion all affect the answer. These 5 picks cover short-term cooling, RV use, and serious home backup. By the end, you'll know which one fits your AC and which one is far more system than you need. At number 5, the BLUETTI Elite 200 V2 is the budget-minded choice for smaller air conditioners and shorter cooling sessions. Its 2073.6 watt-hour battery and 2600 watt continuous AC output can support many efficient window and portable units, as long as the compressor's startup demand stays within the system's limits. BLUETTI's own estimate provides a useful reality check. Under the company's stated conditions, an 8,100 BTU air conditioner runs for about 0.7 hours. So this is better suited to temporary heat relief than cooling through an entire night. At 53.4 pounds, it is easier to position than the larger systems. Up to 1,000 watts of solar input can help restore energy during the day, but the battery cannot be expanded. The Elite 200 V2 makes the most sense for a modest AC unit and shorter periods of cooling. It is not the right fit for central air or extended overnight use. At number 4, the DJI Power 2000 adds more output and future expansion in a slightly lighter package. It has a 2,048 watt-hour battery, delivers 3,000 watts continuously, and weighs about 48.5 pounds. That works well for an RV, van, or mobile living setup where storage space still matters. Its biggest advantage is the upgrade path. DJI says the system can expand to 22,528 watt-hours with compatible batteries, allowing you to start compact and add much more runtime later. The company also states that AC charging can take the battery from 0 to 80% in about 55 minutes, useful when shore power or generator access is limited. The base unit still carries just over 2 kilowatt-hours, and it is not designed for a 240-volt central air system. This is the better fit for buyers who want compact hardware now with room to grow later. At number 3, the EcoFlow DELTA Pro 3 is the most balanced option for buyers who want one system for both RV cooling and home backup. Its 4,096 watt-hour battery doubles the base capacity of the first two products, while 4,000 watts of continuous output leaves more room for an air conditioner and a few essential loads. The main advantage is connection flexibility. The Delta Pro 3 supports both 120-volt and 240-volt output, includes a TT30RV connection, accepts up to 2,600 watts of solar input, and can be expanded for longer backup time. EcoFlow says the system can support some 3-ton central air conditioners, but the company's test used controlled conditions and soft start assistance. Actual compatibility still depends on the compressor, wiring, and installation. For RV use, portable cooling, and selected home backup circuits, the Delta Pro 3 offers the strongest balance of capacity and flexibility. Buyers focused mainly on maximum compressor starting headroom should keep moving up the list. At number 2, the Anker SOLIX F3800 is built for higher startup demands and native split-phase power. It delivers 6,000 watts of continuous output from a single unit and supports both 120-volt and 240-volt loads. That gives it more headroom for demanding compressors and larger backup setups than the Delta Pro 3. It also accepts up to 2,400 watts of solar input and includes NEMA 1450 and L1430 connections. The 3.84 kilowatt-hour battery can be expanded with compatible Anker battery packs. The important limitation is runtime. Its 6,000-watt inverter may provide enough startup headroom for a larger air conditioner, but the base battery still stores less energy than the EcoFlow's 4 kilowatt-hour pack. More power does not automatically mean more hours of cooling. At roughly 132 pounds, this is a wheeled home and RV power system, not something most buyers will casually lift into a vehicle. The F3800 is best suited to buyers who prioritize 240-volt support and heavier startup loads. Extended cooling will usually make additional battery capacity worth considering. Taking the number 1 spot, the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus combines the strongest base capacity and output in this lineup with the widest path for future expansion. It starts with 5,040 watt-hours of battery capacity, delivers 7,200 watts continuously, and provides up to 14,400 watts of surge output. With both 120-volt and 240-volt support, it can cover everything from portable cooling to demanding home backup configurations. Up to 4,000 watts of solar input can reduce recovery time when conditions allow. Capacity can expand to as much as 60 kilowatt-hours, while compatible transfer switch options allow selected home circuits to be included in the backup plan. Jackery states that a properly configured system can support an air conditioner as large as 5 tons. That does not guarantee compatibility with every unit. Running watts, startup demand, wiring, transfer equipment, and the possible need for a soft starter still have to be checked. The trade-offs are size and price. At about 134.5 pounds, it is not casually portable, and this much capability would be unnecessary for someone who only wants to run a small portable AC for an hour or two. The Explorer 5000 Plus is the strongest overall choice for buyers who want broad cooling capability, native 240-volt support, and room to grow into longer home backup. Here is the quick decision. Choose the BLUETTI for smaller, AC units and brief cooling. The DJI is the better compact option when future expansion matters. The EcoFlow offers the best balance for RV use and flexible home backup. The Anker is better suited to demanding startup loads and 240-volt systems. And the Jackery is the top choice when you want the broadest cooling capability and a system that can grow into serious home backup. Before buying, check your air conditioner's running watts, startup demand, and required voltage. Current prices and product links are in the description. For more portable power, cooling, RV, and home backup buying guides, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.